Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to pull speeds and volumes from our traffic operations data. This is housed in a system called Freeway PeMS that is publicly available online. Just go to our website right here on my screen. If you don't have an account already, you can request for one right here. Click on apply for an account, fill out the form, and we'll set you up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. The easiest way to find speeds and volumes for a single specific location is to go here to this inventory link. This will pull up a map of all of our radar and loops installed and maintained in the field statewide. Every red station here represents a single location and direction that has been configured to collect data. Notice that we have two locations here, but very likely we have a single radar unit collecting each direction. If you click on one of the red locations, you'll have the option to pull up these different reports. If you right-click on aggregates and go to open link in new tab, I find this useful to have the map open in one place and the actual report open in a second tab if you want to change to another station. This defaults to the time series report where you can pull the speed and flow by time of day. You can change the day of the week that you want to pull, the range of days that you want to pull. You can change whether it's pulling individual lanes or the aggregated amount. You can change the granularity of your data and even the time of day here. If you click draw plot, it shows up right here. If you say view table, it shows up in this format. And if you click on this, this will export an Excel file, including this data that you see here. One thing to be aware of is this percent observed. What that means is that 100% observed says that we have collected data 100% of the samples for that time period. So we know that data is all actual counts. When you see that drop below 100%, what Freeway PeMS is doing is it's trying to guess what that data should have been based on historical trends. So it's important to know what kind of data you're actually pulling. Sometimes historical trends is adequate. Sometimes you're really going to want to make sure that you have 100% here. So please be aware of that. What Freeway PeMS does is it uses previous historical trends at this station, and it also looks upstream and downstream at similar stations to try to fill in that data. One other thing that's useful on a basic level, if I've pulled data for this specific location and I want to see somewhere nearby, I like to hop back over to my map. And right now I'm looking at northbound. If I want to look at southbound, I can see this station number here and I can view another station. And this will pull up the data for that opposing station. You can also do that using this little map right here. You can go upstream and downstream along the freeway to pull up data in both directions. So that's just some basics on how to pull speed and flow from a single point at a single station.